Hello everybody. It is time to open up the patio for 2026. Going to start out with some cleanup and then get over to the sink, get the water hooked back up and test that out. And of course got clocks to look at and lights to test, grill to test. So right now we're just organizing and cleaning up and putting stuff up, and we'll go from there. Alright, phase one of Patio Open 2026 is completed. Just the initial cleanup and putting everything away that was in the way. Quick side note, I did get my citronella plants planted, and I decided to go with all 4 citronella this year instead of the hollyhocks. So I guess this will conclude this part. Next part will be opening the sink. Thank you for watching.